Liquidating American Express credit card is actually a pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can liquidate American Express credit card. Well, first of all, what people do is people get some cash advance, which can be very useful, but it could be a hurdle just because it destroys your, credit score. It actually, makes a bad impact on your credit score. So if you want to do that, you can do that as well. However, if you do not want to do that, you just have to, transfer all of your funds into any of the credit card which have 0% APR. So as you guys can see, these are the credit cards from, Wells Fargo, which have 0% APR, and these are quite famous. So you can transfer your funds into it, and they don't have the 0% APR for the lifetimes, but they have for the, first few months for like 1 year, 6 months. So you just have to select one according to you. Now, after transferring the funds, you can simply close your account by, going to the American Express website, or you can what you can do is you can actually try to talk to the customer service. So that's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.